Well, my name is Pedro Oliveira. I'm a pathologist at Christie Hospital. Christie Hospital is located in Manchester and is one of the greatest cancer centers in Europe. And, the department includes 9 pathologists. And what we do is not only reporting the specimens from the Christie, but also review cases that goes through regional MDTs and also supporting colleagues around Greater Manchester and the Northwest area. So what voice recognition, let's say, brings to pathology is speed. We don't want to spend our time doing tasks that we can slash them in let's say less than half the time with the same outcome. So we don't want to stay all day in the cut-up room. We don't want to stay all day reporting difficult cases. If we can have these done by a very reliable software, and voice recognition software allows this to be done. For example, I'm just going to give you an example of my day-by-day routine tasks. I'm reporting the ALK and ROS and PD-L1 results in lung cancer in my hospital. And I had it and did a pro forma template for these on TalkingPoint. And I have done this previously, compared how much time it took for me to retrieve the same template just by clicking on the mouse and using the word copy paste, or just using the TalkingPoint function. And you can't imagine how much the slash of the time is possible just by voice recognition. Unless you use it, you don't appreciate how much of your time is saved with this technology. Now I'm going to just comment one feature, which is the coding in terms of SNOMED. People sometimes, they don't understand that everything that we do in pathology needs to be put in data format. And people think that data format is just because we write. No, it's not. Because what differentiates data from writing is that data, you can retrieve the information at any point in the future. And with writing, of course you can, but it's cumbersome and it's very complicated and it's not standardized. So you need to report using data. And one of the aspects that become normal and something that is required everywhere in pathology is the use of SNOMED coding. And TalkingPoint facilitates enormously the use of the SNOMEDs in our system, because our system relies on precise words, and we had to type these words one by one, and now we can just dictate and then just put topography lung/morphology adenocarcinoma, and immediately these words are recognized and the respective topography and morphology codes are automatically added in a way that slashed tremendously the time and the cumbersome task. And when you have something which is so relevant, which is the right coding, that takes too much time, pathologists are lazy, and from time to time you go and use the effortless approach. And with the effortless approach, you just put adenocarcinoma or carcinoma. You don't put the precise subtype of carcinoma or adenocarcinoma. And these all had inaccurate results and inconsistencies in the terms of the SNOMED. So these are just to show you the multiple advantage of using TalkingPoint and voice recognition in a day-by-day pathology routine.